Welcome back to my channel today. We've got a real treasure to explore, the 1957 UK halfpenny coin value, guys. But not just any 1957 halfpenny. We're talking about one in excellent condition, graded by PCGs. In this video, now, let's take a closer look at our 1957 halfpenny. PCG's grading ensures that the coin's condition is assessed with precision. This coin's grade reflects its overall quality, which plays a crucial role in determining its value. As you can see, the details on this coin are sharp, and the surfaces are virtually flawless. Thanks to PCG's grading, this enhances its appeal to collectors and investors alike. So, what's the current market value of a 1957 UK halfpenny in this remarkable condition, as graded by PCGs? Based on recent auctions and market trends, a 1957 UK halfpenny in PCGs Ms. 65 condition can fetch anywhere from $300,000 for single-proof coin. First, do your research. Understand the grading process and the factors that affect a coin's value. Second, consider getting your coin graded by a reputable service like PCGs to authenticate and assess its condition. Finally, stay updated on the market trends and auctions to make informed decisions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.